Hi guys, I'm Robert and you're watching Robert Clive YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, please press the subscribe button and bell icon too. Now we are going to see Cristiano Ronaldo biography. The world famous footballer Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro. He is born on 5 February 1985 in Port. He is a Portuguese professional footballer who plays as a forward for Serie A club Juventus and captains the Portugal national team, often considered the best player in the world, widely regarded as one of the greatest players of all time. Ronaldo has won 5 Ballon d'Or awards and 4 European Golden Shoes, both of which are records for a European player. He has won 32 major trophies in his career, including 7 league titles, 5 UEFA Champions League, 1 UEFA European Championship, and 1 UEFA Nations League title. Ronaldo holds the records for the most goals, 134, and assists, 42, in his history of UEFA Champions League. He is one of the few recorded players to have made over 1,100 professional careers appearance and has scored over 770 official senior career goals for club and country. He is also the second male to score 100 international goals and the first European one to achieve the feat. Born and raised in Madeira, Ronaldo began his senior club career playing for Sporting CP before signing with Manchester United in 2003, aged 18. After winning the FA Cup in his first season, he helped United win 3 successive Premier League titles, the UEFA Champions League and the FIFA World Cup at age 23. He won his first Ballon d'Or in 2003. Ronaldo was the subject of then most expensive association football transfer when signed for Real Madrid in a transfer worth 94 million euro. There he won 15 trophies including 2 La Liga titles, 2 Copas del Rey and 4 UEFA Champions League titles and became the club's all-time top goal scorer. After winning Madrid, Ronaldo finished runner-up for the Ballon d'Or 3 times behind Lionel Messi, his perceived career rival, before winning back-to-back Ballon d'Or from 2013, 2014 and again from 2016 to 2017. After winning a third consecutive Champions League title in 2018, Ronaldo became the first player to win the trophy 5 times. In 2018, he signed for Juventus in a transfer worth an initial 100 million euro, the highest fee ever paid by Italian club and the highest ever paid for a player over 13 years old. He won 2 Serie A titles and Coppa Italia in his first 3 seasons with the club. Ronaldo made his senior international debut for Portugal in 2003 at age 18 and has since earned over 117 caps, including appearing and scoring in 10 major tournaments, becoming Portugal's most capped player, his country's all-time top goal scorer. He scored his first international goals at Euro 2004, where he helped Portugal reach the final and assumed full captaincy of the national team in July 2008. In 2015, Ronaldo was named the best Portuguese player of all time by the Portuguese Football Federation. The following year, he led Portugal to their first triumph in a major tournament by winning Euro 2016 and received the Silver Boot as the second highest goal scorer of the tournament. One of the most marketable and famous athletes in the world, Ronaldo was ranked the world's highest paid athlete by Forbes in 2016 and 2017 and the world's most famous athlete by ESPN from 2016 to 2017. Time included him on their list of the 100 most influential people in the world in 2014. Ronaldo is the first footballer as well as only third sportsman to earn 1 billion in their career. Now we are going to see his early life. Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro was born in São Pedro, Funchal, on the Portuguese island of Madeira, and grew up in Santo Antonio, Funchal. He is the fourth and youngest child of Maria do Los dos Santos Vieira do Aveiro, a cook, and Jose Denis Aveiro, a municipal gardener and part-time kitman. His great-grandmother on his father's side, Isabel da Piedade, was from the island São Vicente, Cape Verde. He has one older brother, Hugo, and two older sisters, Alma and Liliana Katia. His mother revealed that she wanted to abort him due to poverty, his father's alcoholism, and having too many children already, but a doctor refused to perform the procedure. Ronaldo grew up in a Catholic and improvised home, sharing a room with all his siblings. As a child, Ronaldo played for Androinha from 1992 to 1995, where his father was kitman, and later spent 2 years with Nacional. In 1997, aged 12, he went to 3-day trial with Sporting CP, who signed him for a fee €1,500. He subsequently moved from Madeira, Alcahoite, near Lisbon, to join Sporting Youth Football Academy. By age 14, Ronaldo believed he had the ability to play semi-professionally and agreed with his mother to cease his education in order to focus entirely on football. While popular with other students at school, he had been expelled after throwing a chair at his teacher, who he said had disrespected him. However, 1 year later, he was diagnosed with a racing heart, a condition that could have forced him to give up playing football. Ronaldo underwent heart surgery where a laser was used to categorize multiple cardiac pathways into one, altering his resting heart rate. He was discharged from the hospital hours after the procedure and resumed training a few days later. If you like this video, please press the subscribe button and bell icon too for more videos. If you're a Ronaldo fan, comment I am the Ronaldo fan. If you like this video, share to your all friends to get me